guys, welcome to my channel 60 Study, and today we are going to see some interesting topic. Yes, how to boost knowledge in lockdown. Yeah, we can't go out, we can't go to any institute, we can't go to school, college, etc. But we can invest our knowledge somewhere. Yes, that is the online medium. Digitally, we are going to invest our knowledge. Okay, there are different portals to learn, and people are doing YouTubes, and you can have tutors online. That is one to one to many, and webinars, broadcast, etc. etc. I'm just going to give you some directions to some way of impressive and excellent learning material. And before going to the content, I just want to tell you there is I'm going to give this content for 9 days from today, and you can buy this course, and it is from our well-known site. But still, before going to that, I'll tell you how the days are going to be. So upcoming days we will see different technologies, but today we are planning to focus on Python programming. The world is blooming with Python, and everyone are trying to learn Python for different purpose. So and if you are the person you want to learn Python, then I'm here to tell you which program, I mean which course you can buy, and which course you can use to improve your knowledge on Python. And main thing is that you need patience as well as you need concentration. You need to focus wholly on the thing. So let us go one after other. So as I said, the day one is going to be Python programming. Before going into the language, we should know where all it is applicable. So this Python is applicable in web application development. It is used in data science, that is for scientific computing, and it is very important tool in machine learning. It's not at all important language in machine learning. And the startup companies, if you are going to start up a new company, and if you are willing to learn some knowledge in IT sector, then you have to invest your knowledge in this programming language so that you can easily gain knowledge, and you can easily promote marketing, and you can gain clients easily. So all these things are supported with Python. And next is that game development, and you can develop impressive games using this Python. Then education programs, and you can also learn and train people and in their own language, mother tongue. Because you could help people in an efficient way. You can train one by one, that is one to one, and you can help people even for free of cost. And next is operating system. Yeah, this is also used for identify I mean developing new operating systems, and also for language development. Many languages are developed with the base of this Python. And graphic design applications, it is used for designing the image processing softwares like etc. And then it is also used in combination with RPA for intelligent automation. RPA is one of the interesting technology that is blooming right now. It's like just reducing manpower, and it's not that it's going to overcome human beings. It is supporting human beings. Without human beings, nothing can be automated. So obviously the robotic process development is an interesting sector you can get into. Okay, these are the some different variations of Python in real time. And you can also develop your own real time projects, your own websites. So as an outcome, if you're going to buy any course in this links, I mean I'll share you the links also. And it's like, it's not that you have to take these links, it's that I have went through this reviews, I feel they are good, so I just gathered for you guys now. So you can try to create your own web development. You can create your own e-commerce site, you can promote it. You can just, if you're suppose planning to go into artificial intelligence, which is another blooming technology, you can use it. You can invest your knowledge in this. And because why I'm referring this Udemy course is that they have provided an offer. This Udemy usually provide offer in frequent period. It's not that it has provided an offer after a long time. I'm just Okay, friends, now let's see some of the courses that I have chosen for you guys. Around 10 courses I have taken, but still there are 10,000 courses in Udemy for Python. You can just go through it and you can buy the course that you wish, but I have preferred few courses. So let's see one after other. Now just take I'll just copy this, and before that I have to go to udemy.com. So the sale is for rupees 385. Actually, Udemy used to offer free courses. Sometimes they give for 400, 450, and sometimes for 8,000. It all depends. So right now the period is with offer, and it is only 385. And they have mentioned it ends up on May 27th. So before that, let's try to purchase that suits us. And it's not that they will not give offer anymore in the future. It's they will provide offer, but right now we have some offer. So if you see this course, this is a course that I have preferred. You can just preview this course, and I have previewed it and I felt it's good. Nearly 1,50,000 students have got this course, and out of that 38,000 people has rated it, and it is average is summing up to 4.6. And if you see the video content, it is about 32 hours. And also we have 8 downloadable resources, and it is for full time access. And if you see the rating, it's really good. You can go through one after other. And it's not that this is the only best course, it is one of the best course. So you can just go through the Udemy and you can choose your own choice if you feel. Okay. And let's go to the next one. It is, and I missed to say one thing. This is for Python and Django. Django, in the sense, it is a Python web framework. So out of this course, we will learn how to develop a website with this technologies: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Python, as well as Django. So next course, let's take is like the complete Python masterclass. It's from scratch. Actually, there are multiple courses, guys. You can choose anything as you wish, but these are the references that I feel they are good. Out of the ratings as well as the preview, I feel the tone of the explainer tutor is attractive. So if you see this course, around 20,000 students purchased, and they have given some rating. It's around 39 hours of video. And here we are going to see all the basics. It's not high level, it's very very basic, because it's for beginners, it's wholly for beginners. And here they give an intro about the Python web framework also, like the Django Flask, and web scraping also. And there are multiple things in this course. You can just go through it one after other, and you can also look the comments in the review before purchasing the course. Okay. So if you see this, actually it's rated good. But 75,000 people has bought it, and then it is a 33 hours of in video, and good rating as well as. And this is for building your own e-commerce app. They would guide you one by one after other how to create your e-commerce site with Python. It's really helpful if you have if you want to build an online store for yourself in the future, or you can build it for your family members. And but one thing they have, you have to check for the requirements also. But in this requirement, they have mentioned that Python experience is recommended. It's just recommended, it's not mandatory. So if you are experienced in Python, it will be well and good. Else you can just understand Python in some other online courses, or even the previous course also. You can just refresh yourself. But if you want to just refresh yourself, I mean, just to kickstart, I feel you can just go get through in YouTube also. What is the difference between YouTube and this online courses is that in YouTube you will have the content scattered everywhere, whereas in this Udemy and other Coursera and other online sectors for learning can provide you in a package. That is, this is a sequence you have to go through. They can give you, they can guide you step by step as they do in schools and colleges. Next is like this Python, the mega course. It's about 10 real world applications. Here they have mentioned go from zero to hero in just a week. So in weeks. Okay, so here the video content hours is like around 30 hours, and nearly 2 lakh people has already taken up the course, and you can just go through the review. And here the requirement is very simple: no prior knowledge of Python and computer, and no previous programming experience is also required. It's very interesting, right? Anyone can take up this course when you wish that you want to learn something. Learn Python programming masterclass. See, my suggestion is that these are some of the courses that I felt they are impressive, and had some good rating. And even you can choose any course that you wish. But one more thing, very important, is that review the course, listen to the voice, listen to the content, listen to the way they speak. If you're really easy to understand, if you're feeling good, then just buy the course. Else, please look for some other better course that you wish. Next is Learn Python Programming Masterclass. See, here they're going to teach Python, that to Python 3, and nearly 3 lakh people has already learned this, and 75,000 has rated it good. and it's really very very different, guys. Up to now we saw 30 hours, now it is 61 hours. So I think it's very huge content. And in this, if you see, you can learn, see, it's very fundamental. As well as they have mentioned, acquire the prerequisite Python skill to move into branches, like if you have a dream of going to data science, otherwise machine learning, and all these need Python as a basic skill. So in this case, this course may help you in a better way, it seems. So it is from an experienced professional software developer, and you can preview the course as well. This is the person who is providing the course, I guess. And we have reviews. Okay, that is rating for instructor as well as for the content as well as for the course, everything they have reviewed. And if you see, we have 32 coding exercise and 14 articles, 15 downloadable resources. Downloadable resources in the sense you can access that particular resource and you can just look through the code. um, it's for it depends on the courses, but still you can just get access to that. And next is that Python programming for beginners in data science. Yes, upcoming world is going to be data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, RPA. These are the technologies that are going to rule, and those technologies are just having the foundation of Python. So if you go through this course, actually we have 105 lectures, but it's less hours only. It's only 14 hours, and it's very minimum content, I feel. So you can go through, if you are willing to get into data science and you want some beginning level of knowledge, you can go through this course. And next is like Python for data science and machine learning bootcamp. So this is that course. It's very very huge population. Nearly 1 lakh people has given good rating, and the content is for 25 hours. And here we have, let's see what is the Python for data science and machine learning algorithms, then pandas for data analysis, seaborn for statistical plots. All things are related to machine learning, and they are giving you good knowledge, I guess. I think review the course before you buy it. So yeah, I feel the rating is also good, but anyway, you just preview it whether it is adaptable for you. And next is machine learning A to Z, hands-on Python. Hands-on, I think they are going to give good practical knowledge. Oh my god, nearly 7 lakh people got it, and out of that 1 lakh 45 given good rating. It's also a huge content, 44 hours on demand video. And here we will be learning like master machine learning on Python and or programming, and then we will be learning machine learning models, create strong added value to the business, NLP, deep learning. It's also, I feel this course is also good. But what is that you have to focus while learning? That's main important thing. It's not that we are watching a movie or something, just play the video, just come to the end, course completed. It's not like that. We need to focus, we need to do practice, only then we can achieve what is provided in the course. But I feel this is really a good praised course, because if you see, there are many online sectors, they are providing for lakhs for these courses, but they are providing job opportunities also. That's different category. But this is if you are not able to spend that much money, in that case you can just go with this minimum investment and boost your knowledge. Next is machine learning and deep learning in Python and R. So here they have given like around 2 lakh people and good ratings, but rating was given by very few people, but still it's good. 35 hours, and we have 4 articles, and here they have given covers regression, decision trees, neural networks, then time series forecasting. I think if you are willing to dive into deep learning and machine learning, I think this course can help you in to kickstart yourself. So the ratings are also good, I guess. So you can go through. Most importantly, just review the course before you buy it. because you should not buy it and keep it in your library. Just and next is like full stack web development and AI with Python. So here we have data science, web development, and artificial intelligence. So it's like a complete package, full stack. So the video content is about 40 hours. That's good. And what else we are going to see is that, oh, the list is very huge. So you can see CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, Django, AWS tools such as EC2 Host, and create APIs. They are teaching you to create APIs, and they are telling the do's and don'ts, as well as many things are there in the content. But still, you can just preview the comments and as well as the content before you buy. So I have given you some 10 links, 10 different courses related to Python only. In my upcoming videos, I'll give you for other technologies, but right now I just gave for Python. And if you are okay with any of these, then you go with it. Just don't think, guys, it is like amount I have to pay and it's not free. It's just 385. We do lot more things for this amount. So let's try to buy it, and it's for lifetime access, so it will be really helpful for us in one day in future. And maybe in future Udemy may offer this course for free, but still anything with paid at a minimum level can be like a good thing for us rather than free thing. Because when you buy a thing for free, you take it for granted. When you pay something and buy it, you feel the real thing, right? So that's the reason. But I didn't ask you to buy for 8,000 or something. I just still, you can buy if it is less than 400 and 500, because you can use it for lifetime. You can learn it. And the thing is that you can learn YouTube's also, and also other sites. But still, you can just compare with other things like Coursera and Udacity, anything, everything was a very good place to learn. I felt now Udemy is offering some good package, so let's concentrate and dive into this at a beginning level. So this can be your kickstart for your future. And main thing now, yeah. So okay, you have purchased the course, you're going to learn, but you don't know how to learn. Two things: for learning this Python, we need two different kind of text pad. One is your note pen. You have to note your things, you have to keep note of things, you have to understand things by writing. When actually it's not that we have to rewrite it and learn it or mug it. When you write something, few things get registered to your mind automatically. So sometime it may be helpful for you. So I always prefer just take a notepad and pen, keep note of everything. It's not a clean taking notes, just random note take. And when you come to the other notepad, I mean other kind of text editor, it's going to be your IDE, where you can work around this Python. So you can play around this Python using any of this IDE. We have just me some technologies that you want to be reviewed, and you want me to take the course from Udemy for that particular thing. Suppose it can be game development and you are not aware which one to choose, and if you want me to just find the best courses for you in Udemy, you can ask me. You can just tell me the technologies in your comment section. And that's it for today. I wish you all the best. It's not that you have to purchase the course mandatory. I just want you just have a glance. Just try to invest your knowledge in something, because we are completely in lockdown. That's it. Thank you. All the best.